In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SMS messages in Zoho CRM. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to orient yourself so you can easily find the settings area. Since this feature is managed from the System Configuration section, that's where we'll begin. Next, go to Setup. This is the main area where Zoho CRM stores administrative options and feature controls. If you're using a newer layout, Setup is typically easy to access from the top right area of the screen. After opening it, you'll see a wide range of tools and settings, so using the search function will help you get to the correct option much faster. In the Setup search bar, type SMS. This will filter the available settings and help you quickly locate the feature related to messaging. Searching directly is a simple way to avoid scrolling through multiple categories, especially if you're not yet familiar with the full setup menu. When the results appear, click SMS Notifications. This is the section where Zoho CRM allows you to manage SMS-related settings. Be sure to select the correct option from the search results, so you're entering the messaging configuration area and not a different notification setting. Once you're inside SMS notifications, click Enable. This is the step that activates the SMS Messages feature in your Zoho CRM account. After you enable it, the platform will begin guiding you through the remaining configuration process. In most cases, Zoho CRM will display prompts on the screen to help you finish the setup correctly. From here, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. These prompts are important because they may vary depending on your account type, region, or any messaging integrations already connected to your CRM. Take your time and read each screen carefully so the feature is enabled properly without missing any required settings. As you go through the process, make sure you review each option before confirming it. That helps ensure the feature is configured the way you want and reduces the chance of needing to come back and adjust things later. And that's it. Once you've completed the on-screen prompts, SMS messages should be enabled in Zoho CRM and ready for use. This is a quick setup, but following each part carefully makes the process much smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.